What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? In the last video I have successfully wrecked my FPV drone. I fried my FC, which kind of looks like this. It's the brain of the drone, and I have bought a new one secondhand. Welcome back. So one of my last videos was that I wrecked my FPV drone, specifically the FC. I think that was the only part that was wrecked anyway. And now I've got a new one, which I've already replaced. I soldered all the parts that was necessary, all the connections to the board, and it's already in the drone. So all I have to do now is plug in the battery and hope that it will work, and then do the setup on a beta flight on the computer, and then I can go out and fly. That's the goal for today, at least. That was the quickest option that I could get. It's not the same SC, it's actually the one I had before is this one. It's the F4 from iFlight, and now I've got an F7. I hope that will work with the ESC, but I think I've got all the connections right, at least for the soldering part. So it all depends on this very moment if I will be able to fly today. If nothing is gonna burn when I plug in the battery. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, that looked pretty good. I wasn't expecting that actually. I thought the whole thing is gonna burn again. But it seems like I can connect it to the computer, everything works, and I don't know what happens. I'm gonna see if I can make it work, and then I'll go out and fly for another time. And I was thinking about two lessons that I have learned pretty much is one, no rain. And today it's quite sunny outside, and the sun is probably just going down when I'm gonna fly. And two, that I don't wanna fly that low, because if I do maneuvers that I'm not used to, I might as well go higher and do them there so I can catch the fall or whenever I stuff up. And yeah, so I won't crash. Alrighty-o, I finished the drone and it should work, it should fly now. I was struggling a bit with the receiver input in beta flight, but yeah, I think it was only the FC. I think I've wired it all correctly, so the camera works, the receiver works. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see if it flies and if I put in the correct settings for everything. I will have to see. The sun is going down right now and I've got about half an hour of daylight left, and I will remember to take a hot water bottle to, you know, keep my batteries warm. And it hasn't been raining today, so it should all be going okay. We'll see. I gotta go. Right now it is too dark to fly. I was waiting in front of those train rails for like 20 minutes, so I would have already been there by now flying, but it's too dark anyway. I had to wait in front of this railway crossing for like 20 minutes, and so I've slowly seen the sky getting darker and darker, and at some stage I thought I'm just gonna turn around and, you know, try tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning can work out before work if I get up early. I'll probably have to get up at 6 or 6:30 so I can catch the train, because I found this awesome paddock outside of Hamburg, which is right next to a train station, and I can go there tomorrow morning, and from there I can go straight into the train to work. Stay tuned for the next video when I will fly for the third time and hopefully not do anything stupid. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!